In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SlideUpLift template, wrap text around an image in. When you're working with SlideUpLift templates in PowerPoint, the text and images are typically separate objects. That means PowerPoint won't automatically wrap text around an image the way a word processor would. Instead, you'll shape the layout yourself, which gives you clean, precise control. Let's walk through it together. Start by bringing your image onto the slide. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and select the image you want to use. Once it appears, resize it by dragging a corner handle so the proportions stay intact. Avoid dragging the side handles because that can stretch the image and make it look distorted. Aim for a size that complements your slide's content and leaves room for your text. Next, place the image where you want the text to flow around it. Most of the time, that's along the left or right edge of your main content area. Keep a tidy visual gutter between the image and where your text will sit. This little bit of breathing room makes the layout feel intentional. If your template shows guides, use them to align the image with titles or other elements for a neat, professional look. Now set up the text. If the template already includes a text placeholder, click into it and use that. If not, go to Insert and choose Text Box, then draw a text box next to your image and add your content. With the text visible, reshape the text box so the words flow beside the image. Click the text box and drag its left or right edge inward until the text neatly sits alongside the picture. This manual shaping is the key, and it's exactly how SlideUpLift expects you to achieve a wrap effect in PowerPoint. To make the wrap look cleaner, create a consistent gap between the text and the image. You can tap the Tab key at the start of a line for a quick buffer, but a more polished approach is to adjust the text box's internal margins. Right-click the text box, choose Format Shape, open text options, and fine-tune the internal margin on the side closest to the image. Increase it until the spacing feels balanced and readable. Take a moment to review spacing and alignment. Keep line lengths comfortable, make sure nothing overlaps, and ensure the text reads naturally from top to bottom. That's it, the standard, reliable way to wrap text around an image in a SlideUpLift template.